Welcome. In this video I will show you a couple of simple but effective DREAME TV remote tricks you should try today. So the first trick I want to show you is the Google Assistant button. So as you probably know, you can hold down the Google Assistant button on any screen during watching any show or playing any game on your TV, and then just start speaking into your remote control like a microphone, and basically search for anything like the weather or TV shows, movies, opening different streaming services, etc. But we can also use our TV remote as a microphone without pressing this button, and all we have to do is go to Quick Settings, then open all settings on our TV, then navigate down to Privacy, then scroll down to Voice Assistant and enable hands-free microphone, then click Done, and now you can simply say OK Google into your TV remote, and it will recognize it as a command. Now the next thing is Quick Settings. So if you press this gear button on your remote control in any menu, you'll open this Quick Settings, from which you can later access all settings menu without the need to get back to the home screen and go to settings from here. Then you can easily press back and return to the previous menu where you've been. Now you can also use the home button. So just hold down the home button for a couple of seconds, and this will also open the Quick Settings menu on your TV. Now the next thing that I want to show you is the Quick TV Remote Reset. Sometimes your TV remote might become a bit laggy, and in such case we're gonna have to repair it with our TV as one of the most effective methods of troubleshooting the TV remote control. And to do that, you just have to press the home button and the back buttons at the same time until the green LED on top of your remote control starts blinking. This will indicate your TV remote control entering the pairing mode, and then it should automatically pair with your TV. But if it's not happening, you can still do it manually by holding down these two buttons again, and then access Quick Settings, go to All Settings, then scroll down to Remotes and Accessories, and then select your TV remote control, and here select Connect, yes, and then the issue with your TV remote control should be gone. Now the next quick trick is, if you want to enter the screensaver easily on your home screen, just press the back button once and it will automatically turn on the screensaver on your TV. And now the last but not the least interesting trick I wanted to show you is this one button in the bottom right corner of your remote control. This is actually not a streaming service button, but it's a shortcut button. And if you press it, it will let you access. It will let you assign any application that you like to either one of the 4 buttons of your D-pad, or a single function to just this button, which will which will automatically turn on the application that you want to enter. So for example, if we select multifunction and assign, for example, art time to this button, then click Set, then let's return back to the home screen and then press these two buttons together. Then press this button and then this button. After that, it will open the application that we wanted to access. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.